sleep apnea treatment without CPAP. 27 new and natural sleep apnea treatments. If you believe the only way to live with sleep apnea is to use a CPAP, continuous positive airway pressure machine, you're in for a treat. There are 27 scientifically proven alternative treatments that you probably haven't heard of. And one of those treatments can cure your sleep apnea so you can throw away your CPAP for good. No matter what the severity or cause of your sleep apnea, you'll find a treatment in this article that meets your needs. Those outstanding alternative treatments include: 1. Mouth and throat exercises. 2. Singing therapy. 3. Didgeridoo therapy. 4. Positional sleeping therapy. 5. Herbal treatments. 6. Yoga breathing exercises. 7. Sleep hygiene. 8. Buteyko breathing technique. 9. Acupuncture therapy. 10. Weight loss. 11. Treating your allergies. 12. Nasal irrigation. 13. Salt water gargle. 14. Lifestyle changes, smoking and alcohol. 15. Hypnosis. 16. Meditation. 17. Homeopathic remedies. 18. Ayurvedic remedies. 19. Chiropractic treatment. 20. Nasal strips. 21. Saline drops. 22. Sleep apnea pillows. 23. Chin straps. 24. Mouth guards. 25. Oral appliances. 26. Provent sleep apnea therapy. 27. Winks sleep therapy system. We've spent thousands of hours going through the best treatments that are easy, inexpensive, and, most importantly, effective in curing sleep apnea. This video and related article cover all the above treatment methods. And if you have knowledge of the aforementioned treatment methods, you're more knowledgeable than the 99% of sleep apnea sufferers.